I think the market for Malaysia was expected to grow up to 300 million ringgit by 2025 in terms of application and revenue generated by the whole drone ecosystem in Malaysia. At this point of time, the drone industry inside is estimated that the global drone market is valued at least 30 billion US dollar. For your information, I think at least more than half of the revenue expected is going to come from markets within Malaysia itself or Southeast Asia. Due to the pandemic, we actually see that the drone market has grown tremendously. And in Malaysia, because the agriculture sector, the plantation sector, the usage of drone is seen as a tool that actually helps the end user to actually replaces the foreign labor in those markets doing mechanization work. So drones are now being used in these sectors to actually help the end users optimize or increase their production. And not just that the demand is there, the demand is growing. And because from our side, we are the integration between the supply and the demand, we can say at this point of time that there are more demand than the supply. So Malaysia has over 5 million hectares of plantation, palm oil plantation, 600,000 hectares of paddy. So if you calculate roughly, right, if you need to cater for the palm oil sector, the whole of palm oil sector, 100%, you would need at least 75,000 to 150,000 drones to cover the whole market in Malaysia, roughly. But obviously, we are nowhere near that. So at this point of time, so we are trying to encourage more companies to go into those sectors because there's existing demand. So even though you are developing your own products, you are developing your own solution, you have to be in this market at this point of time to make sure that your companies are generating revenue and capturing market in these sectors. So I think the drone market in Malaysia at this point of time will grow tremendously. And just to share with everyone, I think back in 2021, I think late 2021, we did a study under the Malaysia DroneTech Action Plan. The study was actually commissioned by MRANTI. I think we estimate by 2030, the Malaysia drone market, the drone economy in Malaysia will contribute to at least 50.71 billion in GDP contribution and generate at least 100,000 jobs by 2030.